how to delete videos and photos on Messenger chat. So if you want to delete photos and videos on Messenger chat, then first you need to open up your Messenger. After opening your Messenger, now you just need simply go with group or individual chat in which you would like to delete the photos and videos. Like for example, I'll just simply send photos and videos. Once you've sent the photos and videos, now if you want to delete that photos or videos on your Messenger chat, you just need to simply select the chat or the photo and tap on delete, which is on the bottom middle. And here you will have two options. One is delete for everyone and the other one is delete for you. So if you go with delete for everyone, then it will be removed from both sides. And if you tap on delete for you, then it will be only removed from your Messenger. So tap on everyone to delete it from the other person also. And that's it. You can do that with all of the other messages. Tap on delete, delete for everyone, and the message has been deleted. That's how you can find delete option, or that's how you can delete. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.